It's an Epico Giro 2015. Scusi, while I introduce the boys from the Epico. Gino, he rides a Ducati 998. Michele, he rides a Kawasaki Concourse. Cogs, he rides a Kawasaki Z1000. I'm not too sure that the Cogs is Italian, but he say is, so that's good for me. And me, as a Larzini, I ride a Ducati Diavel. So we come up to this light. God say something fun. So I laugh, don't know what he's up to. And this happens. You know, what is he trying to say? He says, I tries to pop the wheelie. I says, you tries to pop the wheelie? How he tries to pop the wheelie? I no know the cog is a stuntman. Like to perform the stunt, he like to pop the clutch or to give it the gas. Oh, it's good for him, no? Look at him come down. That might have hurt his ball sack.